All right, so welcome to Module 3. So closing the sale and then positioning yourself for upsells is what we're going to talk about here today. So again, how do we make them an offer that they just can't refuse and then sell them more stuff? So that's exactly what we want to do. So here's what we have learned so far in this marketing system. So one, you find a hot prospect, so a client or a customer or a potential prospect who might be either ranking really high in Google places for restaurants, things like that. Someone who might be spending a lot of money on billboard advertising, radio advertising, even someone who is spending money on television advertising. So we want to go where the money flows. You want to find people who are actively advertising and marketing into on their for their business. So someone who's got the money. Then you need to bring forth the problem and then get them to feel the marketing pain. Okay, so yes, we can prove to you that a ton of traffic is coming through, and we can also prove to you that your site is not coming up properly, using a mobile site. And then 3, you get the appointment. So now, once you're at the appointment, how are you going to sell this? Okay, so how are you going to put forth the value? How are you going to make sure that you can leave the appointment with a sale? And what is the pricing strategy when you're doing the mobile site? The biggest thing is that, again, you want to position this as a free mobile site. So you give them something of incredible value for free. So the design plus the programming, so you put the value on there of $4.97, okay, or $5.97 or whatnot. Then you charge a monthly hosting and maintenance fee, plus update their specials. So restaurants really love this. Or you add an email marketing campaign or whatever you want to do, but you need to have monthly recurring income coming in from this. And how you position the sale, guys, is really show and sell. This is a visual sale. It's not something that you have to talk about for hours and convince them to do it. It's like, listen, here are the statistics, here are the stats. You're getting a ton of traffic from mobile websites. It's not working. It's not optimized. So people are not actively seeing everything that they need to see on your site. And the way I position this is you can say something like, listen, Mr. Business Owner, based on the statistics, we know that 1,500 people are coming through typing, let's say, Toronto Italian restaurant. Now, based on that, let's say that you're on the number 1 or number 2 position here on the Google Places. So let's just say that you get off of mobile traffic, let's say you get 300 to 400 hits a month. And we know that 80% of web traffic will not like a non-mobile optimized website, right? So they're most likely not going to want to look at your menu and try to navigate the website. It's hard. So you're probably losing, let's say, just 50% of those, okay? So let's say 150 people a month are leaving your website because they can't find your map, they can't find your opening hours, they can't find your information. So based on that, 150 people that we could be capturing as potential prospects are leaving your website. So, Mr. Business Owner, does it make sense then that, if we're able to maybe save 20, 30, 40, prospects a month to maybe get them to come into your restaurant, do you think that would be worth maybe $39, $40 a month roughly for us to create a site like this, host it, manage it, and then make sure that it's very appealing? And they will say yes. I mean, again, they see the value there. 30, 40 clients. My gosh, that's worth maybe $20 a plate. So it's again, they're going to spend $50 to make $100, and that's what you want to position here in the sale. Now, we offer 2 options, okay? 0 cost up front if they sign a 1-year hosting and maintenance plan, or if they don't want to pay the monthly fee, they can pay up front at a higher price, something like $797. You'll get surprised, but quite a few people, I would say about 20-25% of the business owners will actually just pay up front for it because they don't want to have recurring fees. So they can save themselves money. You can say, listen, after it's done, it's paid for, it's finished, you never have to pay a monthly recurring fee, and a lot of people will take you up on that. So what are monthly maintenance fees? Well, there are a couple. Okay, $49.99 is the basic fee that I've charged in our company, and they get 4 updates a month. So they get to update either their menu, update their specials, and it's done. There are 4 updates a month. $39.99 if they want no updates, they just want the website, they just want it hosted. Then you can start upselling. Again, you can go for a $99 email opt-in, where you can start getting email off the mobile application. Or they can do text message marketing off this as well. So again, you can upsell to $99 a month, $197 to have access to text message marketing, and then you give a per text fee, which you're making a profit off as well. Okay, so that works really, really well. Now, the other thing I want to talk to you about here is, you can sell them no matter what, at any cost. And here's why. Okay, mobile is a great opportunity. Even if you're breaking even on the front end with mobile sites, even if you're not making a dime. So if a business owner says, I don't know, I don't think I can afford this, I don't think I want to do this, blah, blah, blah. I would even sell, our reps even sell these if they have to, like the last thing at $9.99 a month. Okay, it doesn't matter, because 90% of the time, once the relationship is built and you produce the goods, the trust is built. And once the trust is built in this type of a business, you can make a lot of money. The big thing right now is that a lot of these local businesses have gotten, excuse me the word, but screwed over by a lot of consultants or businesses coming in and promising the moon about SEO, new websites, all this kind of stuff. They pay, people run away, they never build all this stuff, and they've spent thousands of dollars and lost thousands of dollars. So once you create something of value and you've got your foot in the door and you're working with the business owner, it kind of opens up the door for a lot of things. Again, trust. I mean, it's the number one key factor in making any income selling to local businesses. If there's anything I've learned in the last couple of years, is that trust is the missing factor from you to go from a no to a yes. Once you've got trust, you can upsell and upsell and upsell, and you can keep helping the business owner grow his business if you're doing good and honest work. So the big thing you want to do is prove yourself. Then you build a trust, and then you can start selling much higher priced items, okay? And a lot of guys, a lot of people are asking me, what are you selling? What are the things that you upsell after you're doing mobile? And the big thing you can start doing is, one, if they're going to update their website with their mobile site, 5 out of 10 times you'll be able to get a new website from it as well. So you're going to make anywhere from $1,000, $2,000 just updating their website, because they'll say, well, if we're doing this brand new mobile site and it's going to look all good, I'm going to want to update my website as well, okay? You can start doing search engine optimization. So if they're not ranking in their Google places, or search engine optimization and stuff like that for local search, that will command at least $397 a month or more, okay? Then if they've got mobile and they're doing really well with text message marketing and stuff like that, why not sell them a social media package? We've talked about this in FB Crusher, but again, you can get $300, $400, $500 a month just for doing their social media and really bringing their business to this new type of marketing and new type of technology. Then you can start upselling to an SMS text message marketing campaign. This works extremely well for local businesses. You can increase their sales very rapidly. You can get customers coming back more often, and you can start to fill up the business owner's slow times, those slow days of business. You can really start to ramp up. So this works extremely well. Guys, again, this is a great opportunity to help local businesses. The sale here is not hard. It really is show and sell. So when you have the appointment, you walk in there, either you have a mock-up done of their mobile site, or you're showing them one of their competitors that you've done for them. But just get out there, just get going, and start selling this. This is a hot market right now. And again, they need our help more than ever. Businesses in a recession, they need to start thinking out of the box. They need to start doing this type of marketing, or else they will get killed by their competition. And again, they local businesses right now need all the help they can get. And again, getting them massive exposure using the internet can really help your local businesses. So get out there, believe in yourself, and don't be afraid to sell these mobile websites because they do provide value. And again, mobile is the way of the future. So if you can help them get there, you're going to make a lot of money. Again, make it happen, guys. Nothing is stopping you right now. You've got the flyers, you've got all the email templates, you've got my technique for walking in cold and selling, selling these things right on the spot. And, again, it's very, very powerful. The fact that you can walk into a business and then leave the business within 30 minutes and have a sale. And you can do that if you just get out there and, again, start showing them the proof that there is traffic out there going to their site and that they're having, give them your cell phone and let them see it for themselves. That it's hard to navigate a website off of a mobile phone. So, again, you guys have learned a lot. There's no reason you can't go out there and crush it using mobile. And on the next module, me and Barry will talk about outsourcing. So how do you build these sites very quickly? How can you outsource them? Where to find great, designers and programmers? So I will see you on the final module, Module 4, which will talk about outsourcing these great mobile websites. Talk to you soon.